This is just a brief tutorial for using a database to find newspaper articles. I put an announcement up. This is to supplement the instruction that I gave on Thursday. I found the database that searches the exact newspaper titles that I want you to, which is to say it'll give you substantive articles from major national newspapers. So if you click on Best General Newspaper Database here on the announcement, it should bring you to the ProQuest splash page, and the title up here should say U.S. Major Dailies. You might have to log into your U of A information prior to doing this. I've got political cartoons in quotes. Obviously, I want that term to be held together, and full text. I'm just going to use the basic search for right now. You can see down below the newspaper databases that it's going to search for. You click on the little search guy. You're going to get a lot of results because we didn't date limit it. There's a little slider here. Take it all the way down from 2020 to 2029. No, it doesn't give you articles from the future. But you're down to 191. You want to select source type newspaper. Now you're down to 89. And you can, if you want, start filtering a little bit more. The document type should be news. It's pretty important that you want news information, not op-eds, and not actually, like in my instance, the cartoons themselves. Now we're down to 54. This should already be getting sorted by relevance, which means that the search term is going to be given priority in the articles. You can get through these pretty quickly. You can see here this is about cartoonists getting laid off. This is an end of an error, someone getting sued. Those could be your 3 articles, okay? If you have a ProQuest My Research account, you can just click these here to save it to your research area. You can do more than 3, but I'm gonna limit you to 3 eventually, okay? So hopefully, I've done this like 8 times already. This is the last take. This gives you a sense of how to find some newspaper articles from the kinds of publications that I want. And yes, you are limited to those so that you come to class tomorrow, Tuesday, with 3 newspaper articles. This was much harder than it needed to be. Thank you.